Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So I'm at the Alta Magnolia in Allen, Texas. And I want to talk just a little bit about the area here. We're looking at the really pretty Alta Magnolia. It's a beautiful mid-rise apartment. You can see there's balconies that are there. It's a real pretty brick. And it's just around a bunch of new, really great stuff that's all here. The area, that is 121 over there. 121 gets you from Allen to Frisco, and then it gets you quickly to Plano. So this is a very convenient location. There's a lot of restaurants and even some night spots and stores. There's a huge outlet, the Allen Outlet Mall that's just right over there, not very far from here, maybe 10 minutes or so, with hundreds and hundreds of stores there. You've got stuff here too that you can walk to. You've got the Chicken and Pickle that's right over here. These are restaurants. You've got restaurants over here too at the farm. You've got a concert venue here too. It's a really great location to be in. It's new, it's nice. I think you're gonna love a lot about being here. So that's a little bit more about the area. Now let's actually go in and see some apartments and amenities. If you have questions at any time, send me a text, just use the number below.